Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn what is an Android Studio. You all seen in previous video how to download Android Studio and how to create new application project from scratch. If you have not seen, then go and check. Video link is in description. And if you want every update, then please go and subscribe and turn on notification bell. Thank you. Now let's move. In this video, we will see what is Android Studio, features, project structure, UI of Android Studio, and some shortcuts. So, Android Studio is the official integrated development environment for any Android application development. So, what is IDE? IDE is an integrated development environment, which is a software application that helps programmers to develop software code efficiently. It increases developer productivity by combining such capabilities such as software editing, building, testing, and packaging in an easy to use application developing. Also can see that Android Studio provides more features that enhance our productivity while building Android applications. Like Kotlin is Google's preferred language for Android application development, but you can use many languages like Java, Flutter. You can also install Flutter plugin to use Flutter language in Android Studio. So many other languages are also supported by Android Studio. So this is the best benefit for developers. What is the features of Android Studio? It has a flexible Gradle based build system. If you are using Android Studio, then you know that there are two different Gradle based build file, like one for app level and one for module level. It has a fast and feature rich emulator for app testing. In upcoming videos, we will learn that how to install and how to run emulator in Android Studio for application testing and for to know that how our app is responding. Also, Android Studio has a consolidated environment where we can develop for all Android devices. You have all the options of all the Android devices. Also, we can apply changes to the source code of our running app without restarting app. Android Studio also provides extensive testing tools and it supports C++ language and NDK too. Now we have a question that what is NDK? The Native Development Kit. The NDK is a set of tools that allows you to use C language and as well as C++ language code with Android and provides platform libraries you can use to manage native activities and access physical device components such as sensors and touch inputs. Later on, Android provides built-in supports for Google Cloud Platform. It makes it easy to integrate Google Cloud Messaging and App Engine. You can also connect it with Google Base. You can also implement Google Firebase to your Android application. About Firebase and Google Cloud Platform, we will learn later on in next videos. So here is the Android Studio project structure. Android Studio project structure has Android app modules, Android library modules, Google App Engine modules, and many more. The one folder is their manifest. Manifest folder contain the Android manifest.xml file. If you are using Android Studio, then you know that Android manifest file is very important to our Android application. So, what is the use of Android manifest file? The manifest file describes every essential information about your application to the Android build tools and the Android operating system and also Google Play. If your application needs any permission from user, then you have to include it in manifest file. Then next is Java. It contains the source code of Java files including the JUnit test code. Java package contains all the source code like your applications, all the classes files, all the objects. You only have to work in this folder to build an Android application. Now move to resources. It contains all known code resources, UI strings, XML layouts, and bitmap images. First is drawable. If your application needs any bitmap images, you can store here in drawable folder. Next is layout. Layout contains all the XML layouts in which you can design your application UIs. Now move to values. Values contains UI strings, like if you want to style any boxes, like you have to give corners to your boxes in your application UI design, then you can define your styles string values in this values resources folder. About all these folders we will learn in details later on in next videos. Now you can see that Android Studio user interface. There are given numbers so you can get it easily. The first one is the toolbar that lets you carry out a wide range of actions, including running your applications and launching Android tools. From toolbar, you can run your app, debug your app, or stop your running application. Also, you can start emulator from here. The second one is navigation bar that help you to navigate throughout your project and open files for editing. It provides a more compact view of the structure visible in the project window. The third one is editor window. And the editor window is where you create and modify your code. You can see that in editor window we have built our application throughout this code, which we will write in editor window. The fourth one is the tool window bar. The tool window bar runs around the outside of the IDE window and contains the buttons that allow you to expand or collapse individual tool windows. The fifth one is the tool windows, which give you access to specific tasks like project management, search, version control, and many more. You can expand them and collapse them. Last, the status bar. The status bar displays the status of your project and the IDE itself, as well as any warnings or messages. So that's it. This is some basic shortcuts you need to know to use Android Studio easily. If you want PDF of the slides, then comment down below. And genuinely, if you liked our videos, then please share to your friends. See you soon. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.